Hello afternoon, everyone. In here, I'm gonna presentation our professional seminar. The title is Analysis of Customer Satisfaction with Live Advocacy, Suasing Services Using Service Quality and Important Performance Analysis Methods. My name is Barida Paditya, and I'm from Jakarta State University, major in Digital Marketing and Faculty of Economics. So without any further ado, let's begin in the first slide. Next slide. Chapter 1, Introduction. So the research background. The use of shoes today refers to fashion trends in everyday life. The use of various types of shoes, such as running shoes, slip-ons, boots, wedges, and sneakers, has grown rapidly in fashion needs in society. Sneakers are casual shoes originally designed for sports and other physical activities. The development of sneakers in Indonesia is currently very rapid, and it is easy for people to find various kinds of sneakers brands. Introductions and information about sneakers are easy to find and obtain on the internet. Through internet media is easy to obtain and convey the information needed anytime and anywhere. Fajar et al. 2023. This is the various kinds of sneakers, the data of various kinds of sneakers brands, sourced by Curious.id. There are Adidas, Nike, Converse, Vans, and many more. Sometimes shoe cleaning service makes mistakes in carrying out services, such as having done work that was not done on time. The process of washing shoes was not clean enough, and there was a damage to the shoes that were being worked on. A good service quality can be competitive advantage for service companies. Service quality is also one of the keys for a service company to achieve success. By Fadila et al. 2020. This is the researchers' accessions 2022 by social media such as WhatsApp and Instagram. There are many complaints by customers. Research questions. What is the descriptions of the level of customer satisfaction with fast verification services? And then second one is what attributes does fast verification need to improve and in order to increase customer satisfactions? Research purpose to find out the level of customer satisfaction with the fast services. To find out what attributes fast verification needs to improve in order to increase customer satisfactions. The benefits of researches by theoretical. The results of this research can provide a developed view of consumer satisfaction among shoe wearing service users and become a reference for the further research. For the practical, this research is expected to provide insight so that companies can take the right policies in improving service quality in accordance with the wishes of fast verification consumers. Next, the chapter 2, the literature review. The literature review is, I'm sorry, this typo, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is important in service business. Into the highly competitive shoe cleaning service industry. Maintaining customer satisfaction is the key to the increasing sales and maintaining long-term success. Customer satisfaction is an emotional assessment of customers after customer use products or services, where the expectation and needs of customer who use them are met by Ornella and Haryanto 2020. Next is dimension and indicator. The dimensions, according to Kotler in Akbar 2019, to find out customer satisfaction that is actually felt by customers include: first is tangible, second is reliability, and third is responsiveness, and the fourth is assurance, and the last one is empathy. Next, the indicators. Indicator for measuring customer satisfaction according to Indrasari 2019 are matching expectation by customers, sure, interested in visiting again, and the willingness to recommend. This is such as previous research of this research. The first one, analysis of Lazada customer satisfaction in South Jakarta, analysis of consumer satisfaction with service quality at the Stick on You style Kota Baru Jambi, analysis of the laundry customer satisfaction using the customer satisfaction index and service quality method, ABC Laundry customer satisfaction analysis using service quality, important performance analysis, IPA, and customer satisfaction index atau CSI methods, analysis of customer satisfaction using the SERVQUAL methods and structural equation modeling SIM approach in good delivery service company in the Pekanbaru City area, analysis of customer satisfaction using SERVQUAL and Cartesian methods at the Doer Rawamangun Eating House. Relationship between service quality, brand image, customer satisfaction, and customer loyalty, service quality and consumer satisfaction as service self-service laundry SERVQUAL model, analysis of consumer satisfaction with the quality of self-medication service in Nunukan Regency pharmacies. And the last one is analysis of consumer satisfaction with service quality using the service SERVQUAL method, customer satisfaction index, and important performance analysis at Dwi Jaya Mulia Gresik. I'm sorry, there are typo, penelitian terdahulu, previous research. Chapter 3, research methodology. The research methodology has four. First one is time and place. From that July 2024, location in West Bekasi. The data source is the data source for this research use primary data. The research design using a quantitative approach, descriptive methods. The last one is sample. The number of samples in this research is 125 people. The data collection technique. The data collection technique in this research is distributing questionnaires to user of Fastbill Bekasi to washing service via Google Form. This is the table of indicator and statement. Each dimension has 5 indicators and the 5 statements, and has 2 sources: tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. The instrument test, the first one is validity test. The purpose of the validity test is to test the validity of research instrument so as to determine the similarity between the data collected and the data that actually occurs on the object under study. The second one is reliability test. Reliability test refers to the understanding that an instrument is trustworthy enough to be used as the data collector because the instrument is good. The data analysis technique, we have 2. First one is service quality. According to Sugiono in Aditya 2019, service quality is the level of reality and expectation to fulfill customer desires. Service quality is measured based on the match between customer expectation and their perceptions the service received. The second one is IPA or important performance analysis. So can map customers' realities regarding the importance and effectiveness of the service perspective by Sihotang and Octarina 2022. There are 4 quadrants in IPA. Each quadrant has a certain category regarding which statements need to be improved and maintained. So thank you for the time to listen my presentation. So yeah, good afternoon everyone.